Maybe you've searched how to make money online with a skill you already have. Here is real way how to do it. This channel has zero audience, no followers, no past videos. This is truly the first one. And we are building an online community anyway, right now in front of you. If you're sitting on a skill, a hobby, experience, and you haven't done anything with online yet, use this as an actual reference, not something to skim once and forget. Skool is a platform I picked to host the community. It's made for this: courses, discussions, memberships, all in one place. First choice, which plan? Hobby cost $9 a month. You get unlimited members, courses, and video. But Skool takes 10% of anything I sell. Pro cost $99 a month. The fee drops up to 3%. You also get a custom link and an affiliate program. I don't have anything to sell yet, so I'm starting with a hobby. I can upgrade anytime. Next, the name. You get 30 characters. You can change it later, so don't overthink it. My project is called Morphios Lab, and yes, I can change it later if it doesn't stick. Right after sign up, Skool asks how big your audience is. Under 10K, from 10 to 100K, 100K to 1 million, or over 1 million. I picked under 1K. To be honest, it was generous. I have zero. Before anything else, I wanted the page to look real, not empty, so I opened Figma and made a logo and banner. Want to see exactly how I did this in Figma? No advanced tools, just basics? Tell me in the comments and I will show you in a future video. Back in school, I uploaded both, my logo and my banner. Then I wrote a short description. We built thriving communities, document every lesson, and show you how to turn your experience into sustainable income. Why not? By default, a new group is unlisted, which means it's a hidden from Skool's search. To get listed, you need 5 things: a cover image, a description, a finished about page, your first post, and 3 friends who join. I've already done the first 2. There is also a keywords box. You can add up to 11 tags to help people find you. I added 10, like community building, online business, personal brand, and AI for business, and also later I can change it anytime. Skool actually tells you how ranking works. Bringing your own traffic helps. Real engagement helps. Payments made on the platform help. Being an active owner helps. Fake account, spam, and payments made outside the platform all hurt you. Skool gives you 5 ways to charge people: free, a flat subscription, freemium with 1 or 2 paid tiers, multiple paid tiers, a one-time payment. You can pick whatever one fits your sales strategy. You can choose subscription first, set it at $99 per month or $99 per year, then freemium with a free standard level and paid premium one, then tiers. Honestly, none of them felt right yet because we don't have a course built. We don't fully know what's going inside this community yet. So for now, we are keeping it simple. We'll figure out the real structure as we go and walk you through that choice in a future video once there is real content price. And that's the part nobody shows you. You don't need every answer on day 1 to start. There is also plugin stuff, welcome messages, membership questions, chart rules, things like that. I won't walk through every one here. It would slow things down. I explain each one in the blog post. Link is below if you want a full list. Under the community tab, you can turn tabs on or off. I kept classroom, calendar, and map. You can also sort posts into categories. I added one called announcements, and you can set rules. I wrote 4. Be positive, no self-promotion. Maybe later I will change this because why not? People can promote themselves. Make an effort. And the 4th is just making money, because that's really why most people will be here. A community with zero activity feels dead. So maybe I will make a first event. Skool gives you templates like coffee hour or a Q&A, or you can build your own. I made a simple hangout call today at 3 p.m. just to talk about making money online. And here is it, public now, not hidden anymore. 3 members already. My name is on it. There is still no course inside. I'm not hidden that, but it's real. It exists, and it's growing while I figure out the rest in public. What you just watched is enough to take your first real step on Skool. You don't need a master every setting today. You pick up the small detail later as your community actually grows. If you got a skill or hobby, something other people would want to learn, this is one of the simplest way to turn it into something real. Not perfect, just start it. The link to Morphios Lab is in the description. Come join right now. Everything I'm learning, I'm posting in there as I go. That changes once there's a real course inside. Be part of the journey, not just watch it happen. In the next video, we'll pull back the searching and show you the real numbers from Legal English, the community Ted and I actually built together. Subscribe if you want to see where this goes.